New Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys a unique tool or a tool that I use all the time. And today, I haven't used this tool yet, but I do want to share it with you because what I found out online is this little guy is an extremely good stud finder. It actually may be the best stud finder you can get for the money, and we'll show you why. Now, I purchased this stud finder at Harbor Freight, and I believe it was $36. It's made by Franklin Sensors, and it is the ProSensor M150. And if you'll notice in the bottom right corner, it is made in the USA. Now, I think to give this a fair assessment, we'll use a Wallabot to find the stud. If you haven't seen my review on the Wallabot, I will put a link down below, but it's basically kind of like X-ray vision for the wall. It's a pretty cool stud finder, but they do cost a lot more money than the stud finder we're reviewing today. But let's go ahead and find the stud, we'll mark it, and then we'll test the new stud finder. So the Wallabot is showing a stud right about there. So we will mark it, put a little sticker there, and we will put the other sticker right here. So now we know where the stud is, and we'll use the other stud finder and see how accurate it is. Now, using the Franklin sensor, let's see if we can find the very same stud. Check that out. Pretty cool. And with all those LEDs across the top, you can pretty much pinpoint exactly where that stud is. Now, this stud finder has another trick up its sleeve, and that is it can find live wires behind the wall. I can demonstrate that because here's a light switch that is nailed to a 2x4. The 2x4 runs right along here, and to the side of that 2x4 is a live wire. At least it will be live because we're going to leave the switch on. So let's see how that works, and we'll see what happens to the tester to let us know that there's a live wire there. Check that out. There's these yellow lights on each side to indicate that it has sensed power. And if I turn this switch off, the lights go out. Now, per the packaging, it says it can scan 1.5 inches deep, and it also says it can find metal studs. Now, I don't have any metal studs in my house to test this, but we do know that it will find wood studs, and it also will find those live wires. So that is my quick and dirty review of the ProSensor M150. Again, I'll put a link down below to this device if you're interested in it, and I did buy it at Harbor Freight, and at the time of this video, it cost about $36. So if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.